Okay, Ross. These are $22. Oh, you get 4 stocking. Am I reading this right? 4. Okay, hey, for 22, you have Santa, a snowman, reindeer, and a cute bear. Okay, for 4, not bad. You know, if you're needing stockings. 13 at the bottom. Gingerbread for 14. I think that's like a doggy one. Yeah, so cute. And the kitchen towels. They've been like so good lately. Like this elephant. 8. I feel like most of these are going to be 8. $25 for the Grinch. Ooh, is that a cooking jar? Oh, it's just hollow. 15. 15 for that guy. Oh, he's broken. I mean, you could glue that. Oh, these are cute candle holders. They're 9. They're candy. Those are cute. Then we have the Santa. Okay. Same gingerbread. These are 10. A little doggy and Santa and a cupcake. Okay. Go down here. Those are cute. These are 10. Girl with the bow. 20. Oh gosh, another dog. It reminds me of that one movie, the pet movie, Secret Life of Pets. That's what it reminds me of. The rocking poodle right at the end. I like his little smirk.
Charlie, you're St. Nicholas. Lend your ear this way. Don't you tell us.
17 for that. $25 for the large, $12.99. Okay. Oh, here's a Snoopy. You know what? I don't think we've seen this one. Let me find out. I'm kind of glad their music is not loud. Normally Ross, their music is crazy. Let's see, 25. Okay, this one we haven't seen. He's ringing the bell for you. Look at Woodstock. He's in the bell. Oh, now he's gonna get a headache. This is only $20. $8.99. $11.99. Tons of candy cane. $16. Little candle holder. $12.99. Hey, very similar to one I had. I had like an old one that was like multicolored. I think we got it from like Walmart or something. But it was like that old vintage type of star vibe. $10.99. Garlands, $10.99. It's a red one, more dogs. Oh, these are mugs. How much is that? That's kind of cool. 9. 10.
Yeah.
10. It's actually really cool. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. These are really pretty. They're glass too. They're gorgeous actually. They're 20 by Tidings and Joy. And you know what?
Like a star button.
They do have a silver one. A Nutcracker pillow, 15. This one's 17. Turn it around. Joy, hope, peace. Merry Christmas. Nutcrackers, we see those. Oh look, he's putting the star on the tree in this one. How am I finding the carolers? Okay, I haven't seen this gingerbread nutcracker. 10. 17.
And they have real music on their boobs.
Yeah, I know. Isn't that kind of cool though?
Yeah.
10. And look at the deer. How can we see how much these are? Oh.
It came upon the midnight clear. That's the song they're reading. Yeah.
This is 15.
This one's 10 for the Nutcracker.
Oh gosh, getting kind of messy in here.
Let's see what he's reading. He's got a tiny head. That's a
Yeah, I
tiny head.
know. Like even on the large ones, they have a tiny head. I was saying that.
Yeah. That one's silly. It came up on the midnight clear. Yeah, it's the
Same song.
Same song.
Stana, 20. Let me pull this out. Okay. This is what I'm talking about, you guys. You could find this stuff here at a different location. It was a white marble base, but this is like heavy stuff for only 30. $30 for this is not bad compared to like the hollow ones they try to sell at Homegoods. This is good. The quality is gorgeous. I love it. Is it too heavy? There you go. I helped you out.
Like I'm double jointed here, twisting my wrist.
Do not open until Christmas. Okay. 8. Some black bows. Bluey on top and Grinch are 30. There's a Snoopy one too. Okay, 20. Just $12.99. Ballerina. More Grinch, soft plush throw. Snoopy over here, 15. Betsy Johnson, I like the hot cocoa. It's 17. And then we got Bluey in here for 17. More Nutcrackers. $12.99 with a teapot. 10. I like him. 17. Then just more Santas. And that guy in the back.
His head looks a little more portable.
Yeah. Okay, we have the large gingerbread house. This one is 110. 110. 100. And then over here, it looks like his beanie is going to light up on top. This is $70 with the polar bear. And the gingerbread, they're $43. $59.99. $25. And if you want a dog, it's gonna be $22. Look at this Bumble mug. It looks like he's melting.
Yeah.
Hey, I was gonna say that.
Thinking the same
$8.
That's funny.
Salt and pepper shakers. These are $5. And they also have a white one. $12.99. It's cute. We've been finding plenty. This one I think is a container too, right?
Yeah, it's out in the back. Let's see. So The back of it's the lid.
That's so funny. That's
10.
10.
By
Holly.
Holly and Moss.
New Stitch cup. This one is 10.
It's got a lid.
Chill out. Merry Christmas. I like it because it's like a vintage Santa. Kind of like pinky tone 5. Zelda in the back. Look at he's eating his house. Hey. That's actually kind of funny.
Oh, this is kind of neat with the stained glass. I know you just
The Zelda one?
Yeah. It's like all stained glass.
Dad down here. Comfy cozy coffee.
There's a Bowser one.
Yeah. See? This is $8. $5.99. This one's 15 on the Nutcracker. Okay, do you guys remember when I was talking about? Oh,
It's hidden.
they have a hidden pocket. Okay, I was getting so angry. I was like, why is there no pockets? We want pockets. If they're hidden pockets, okay.
But it always looks cooler on the front.
Do you
Like
think?
that kangaroo looking pocket in there.
Because then there's this gray one. Ozzy Osbourne. You are so loved. You are loved. Everybody's loved. No matter what you're going through. Stay true. Bone threads, tattoos. Faith over fear. Yeah, they have a lot of these sweatshirts here in Ross. So if you're into that, like all the sayings, they have them here for you. West Coast choppers, $11.99. That's kind of cool. What size is this? And then here's the back. That's cool. Oh, and Ross also has a lot of Hurley. Not Hurley. I'm sorry, Harley. Ugh.
Harley jacket,
Twilight.
jackets and stuff. Yeah.
Twilight. It takes me a while. This is how all the bands do their names on the flyers. So we're like reading. I got like, okay, give me a second. Because I'm like, what does that say?
I can't read.
What does that say? Wicked?
Wicked. Yes.
It's a cat sweater. The Grinch. These are definitely like 2K vibes. With the Ozzy Osbourne one. Look, these are 25. Then cool. Okay, we got Twinkies up in here. No price on it. It's a lip care duo. Mented elf, a lot of elf. Burt Bees. 5. Oh my gosh, look how tiny.
Those are for the bees.
How much? $3.50. This should be $1. $1.50.
Those remind me of those little ones with like the little capsule over the tip. Remember, like in the '90s, like they kept
Yeah.
them in like a little candy jar. It was
Yeah.
Like, what that girls bought. Yeah.
$3.50 for that. Shh, get out of here. Lip oil. These are $5.50. Come with little chains. Lip balm. Juicy High Shine lip gloss. Lip plump. You get lip plump in that. More plumping oil. Tinted lip gloss.
Hilarious. They had to lock that up.
That's crazy. That is crazy.
Sometimes I think they just like to put things there though, so they're like it's easier to clean.
Oh, look, they got Tom and Jerry headband. That's funny. Like a bear pajama set. Okay. A lot of Steve Madden on top. $30, yeah. Ed Hardy, and this one's 20. Okay. And everything on top is Juicy, which I know we've seen.
And these are all 13.
15 right here for the duo. Hello Kitty slipper. We got the animal print. A Barbie. And Stitch. Let me go down the shoe area. It's by Top Moda. Flats are actually cute. 37. And those are Guess. I don't see anything that's like sticking out. We got plenty of boots though. This is 100. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in Ross. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one. It's a bear slipper. Are people over here? Yes. Alright. It got crowded.